All right, and we are live.
Yay.
So today was a good day. Evan and Mark and I had a good call about, the next 6 months and how likely it is we can hit all our goals and all that fun stuff. Helped Johnny out a little with some API chat issues he was having with the Android course. He got that all squared away, so that's good. And then I knocked out a few remaining bugs for the download revamp that I've worked on, and I think that's ready to go out after Evan and Jason give me their thumbs up. And then I've been playing with the admin app and learning new React stuff, so that's fun. And I jumped on a call with Nate today, talked about cool stuff. The tvOS platform for preparing for having exercises in our static data and all that cool stuff. What else did I do? I did something else. Oh yeah, I found a project on GitHub from 2012 that is 32-bit. So I'm going to record a slope session tomorrow, how you would update it to a 64-bit project, which if you've created a project since May 7th of 2012, it automatically is 64-bit and 32-bit, so you're already good. But just in case you haven't been developing for like 6 years, I'm going to make a slope session for you. And that has been my day. How about you, Nate?
Cool. Your day sounds eventful. A lot of stuff.
Every day.
So today, I believe I wrapped up all the exercise features for all 3 iOS, Mac, and TV platforms. And then I've just dived into more unit testing. We're going to get unit tests done for every platform, everything that's we can test. So,
and Nate has done something that he's never done in his entire life. He is an official Californian as of today.
Yeah.
Woo!
Nice. Welcome to the club.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh,
We're moving in this weekend or early next week.
Is the family excited?
Yeah.
Sweet.
They are. They got to deal with me again, and I got to be responsible again.
They have to deal with
Responsibilities.
Oh, man.
Cool, man. Congratulations.
Yeah. Cool, that was it. That was my day.
All right, sweet. How about you, Mark?
Good. Good stuff. I actually wrote some code this weekend, believe it or not. I was going through finances, and I couldn't do the math in my head. I couldn't remember because I was just trying to put some things together, and I couldn't remember how to do it in Excel. So I wrote my own node-based algorithm for projecting finances for the next 12 months. So hooray for programming.
That's the Devslopes way.
And I'm sure Evan could have done it in 5 seconds.
That Excel stuff is just too complicated.
I didn't write some code. And good things are happening. We're doing really well as a company, guys. Really, really well. We've made some great leaps and bounds with our platform. We obviously see Evan's statistics every week, but including even as the apps are growing in usage and other ways too. So are the finances and the user, our sales funnels and everything else. People are generally happy with Devslopes, and it's really great. That's good. And then they were a great call today. I've been doing ads like crazy, more and more advertisements, adjusting ads, all of that. And then also our blog. So I'm working on the blog and designing it for Evan's specs. Jack's helped me get it up. And so over the next few days, you'll see the blog up, and then we're going to start posting. We have some other guests, people who are posting. And if you're watching this and you're ever interested in writing a tutorial for Devslopes or anything with code, and you want to get this on your portfolio as having submitted something to Devslopes, or just want to help out the community, we are accepting tutorials on our behalf. They're exclusive to Devslopes, but you'll credit your name, we'll link to your website, and of course we'll peer review the code and everything. But that opportunity is there for those of you who want to submit to the community and give back. And so you'll be able to do that in a few days. You can contact me, mark@devslopes.com. And so that's getting up, which is fantastic that it's going to help with our SEO. We're doing a big SEO strategy, which is also, we're going to talk about that in our upcoming app marketing course as well, which we also started and have been prepping for. Evan, we can probably start recording videos as I finish the outline and such. But good stuff, really good stuff. So that's my report.
Sweet, man. Oh, I forgot. I fixed one more bug that will be out with the download feature. When new courses get released, people had to pretty much restart the app twice to get it to be unlocked if they were backers or subscribers. Good. So that's fixed, and it'll be a little nicer until we have sockets or something even cooler in place for adding new content, but it'll be good.
Fly swatter.
Fly swatter. All right, Johnny B.
Oh man, I was this close to just like destroying and setting everything on fire this weekend. I've been working on the Android chat app and was like doing awesome, making some great progress. And then I was like, oh, I got to the point where I had channels working and the slide out menu and everything. I was like, oh, I'll real quick add in sockets to be able to add a channel, because on iOS and Mac that was like 5 lines of code. So I started doing it and it just wouldn't connect. It would not connect to our servers, and like 3 days later I've spent like the last 3 days 24/7 trying to fix this. And the problem was in iOS and Mac, you point it to the URL plus v1/. Okay. In Android, you leave the v1 off. And that was it.
Wait, which URL? I don't understand. That doesn't make sense.
No, it doesn't make sense because it's like ignoring our base URL code.
Wait, what's ignoring? I don't understand.
I don't know.
It doesn't make sense. Because with the v1, it would still kind of connect via sockets. Like the server logs would output that a user had connected, but then anything else doing any emits or detects, it wouldn't detect them. So ooh, I was pretty upset, but also overjoyed that that is finished and fixed, and now I can keep working on it.
Sounds great.
And that's all I got.
I feel like it's definitely, I don't know, there's got to be a bug or something on the API that's causing that. Because that's odd. But anyways, I'm glad it's working. Jason.
What up? Sorry I'm late. I was doing the React course to find answers to answer a bunch of web questions. So, yeah, today has been awesome. I've been answering tons of student questions on the web course. I've gone through and started some QA on the Mac app. I have completely finished the upload to admin on the React slope. And I have this huge checklist that I go through. So the slope, course, sections, lessons, assets, all that stuff is 100%. And I've tested it on web and the app. I have to follow up with any questions that someone might have had about it. But yeah, that's good for testing. And then I'm doing a bunch of other video uploads for some things for Mark. And what else? And then just, you know, loads of emails and helping people out there. So, yeah, busy day.
Sweet, man.
That's it.
Someone wants to know when they can expect the React course.
As soon as
weeks.
Jack pushes it live.
So as soon as I'm running through some testing on it, so once that's done, it will go live tonight, right?
Woo! Yeah. Nice. Yep.
So that's
Yeah, it's all done, ready to go.
sweet, man.
It's
Good
a
work with
big,
that.
big course. Yeah. It's
Oh
like
my gosh, it's a
150
giant course.
155
How many
lessons.
hours? How many hours is it?
It's 16 and a half hours or something.
Okay. Thank you.
I already have 6
Yeah.
gigs downloaded. I'm testing all the download links right now.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah, there's about 140 or 150 source code downloads. So it was a lot to get those in there, but it's all done. It's good to go.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Good work, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Evan.
What's up, guys? Today, let's see, QA Mac downloads. It's looking really, really good. Or the download offline feature. Jacob squashed a bunch of bugs. Fly swatter in the house. Let's see, what else? I made some more marketing assets for Facebook. I feel like I'm just going to be saying that for maybe the rest of my life. I don't know. I did our recap, our weekly recap. Things are steady. Things are good. Engagement is high. People are finishing. A couple people have finished the iOS 11 course, and a lot of people.
Where did you do that, Evan? In Fabric?
Fabric.
Nice.
A lot of people. We had a spike in completion for the Xcode foundational, or that first lesson that we always have for iOS, which is good. What that tells me is that people are downloading it and then they're actually finishing it. They're going through the lesson. And so that's all really good. I answered some feedback emails and worked on some more customer support stuff. Had the call with Mark and Jacob, and then started to design the blog page. I have a couple of the pages up and should have the rest tonight. Mark, I'll just kind of shoot you a message every time I get more of that done. Jake did a really good job at hosting the AMA on Saturday, so I'm working to get that uploaded to YouTube right now. And
that should go in Vimeo too, so we can put it on the Devslopes TV.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, I'll do that.
And yeah, and then I started to, well, I have designs for Jason for the website after this. The next one is pushed. Just a little bit of navigation revamping because we're gonna have a lot more stuff coming. So that was my day.
Great.
Nice.
Nice work, man.
Yeah.
What's that?
So nice work, man.
Ah, thanks.
Caleb.
Hey, fellas. So today, I
Are you in Florida?
I am. Yeah. By the way, I'm 3 hours ahead of you guys for the next.
That doesn't
2
look
weeks.
like a hotel. Where are you staying?
At my okay. So for now, it's super convoluted. We're staying at my wife's grandma's house for like 2 days, and then we're gonna actually got a pretty sweet deal. Like the friends that were staying or visiting here for the wedding work at Disney, so they hooked us up with the Disney resort in Walt Disney World for free, which is pretty dope.
Oh man.
So we'll be chilling there for a few days, and then there's the wedding, and then we're back here for a few days, and then back to the Disney resort again. So we're all over the place, but yeah. So I'm 3 hours ahead just for the next 2 weeks, just so you guys know. So yes. Cool. Anyway, so
Cool.
Today I looked through my source code in the RX Swift app and decided there were some parts that I didn't really like, that they weren't very reactive. I was kind of doing them the original way that I know how. So I went through and kind of RXified it so that it's much more reactive and used more of the RX stuff that I should be doing. So that is pushed up, and I was going through some code review stuff. I have some more things to fix from Johnny. After I fix that, I'm going to start in on recording some videos. It's not just going to be this app, though. I have a few other little apps to teach like basic RX concepts, and then the GitHub client is kind of like the big capstone project. That'll be really fun. What else did I do? Some Instagram story stuff. Interacted with a few folks there, which was cool. And by the way, Evan, you're are you doing the ads on Instagram too, like that are showing up for people?
They go on Instagram.
I think so, yeah.
They do also. Okay, because like I've been seeing tons of likes and engagement on those, which is really cool. So nice job.
Cool, thanks.
Caleb, so good work. 3 throw this on your list here, but we are opening up a business and marketing slope in the Devslopes platform, which will be growing. And plan, because you're getting so amazing at it, plan on doing a 3 to 5 hour target topic on Instagram marketing, which you've just really nailed it. And so, you know, everything you're doing, from the stories to like interactions to wallpapers and engagements and everything you've learned, let's get that in a course.
Cool. Awesome. And it's really exciting. I would love to do that.
You would do great at it. By the way, our buddy, who may be watching or may not, but Red Foo says he's blown away by your teaching, especially in the iOS 11 course and the map stuff. He says it's like the most amazing stuff he's ever watched. Like, he's just blown away.
Wow, that's super nice.
That's
I
awesome.
saw him post something on his Instagram story today that he was watching me. That's super nice.
Yeah.
Tell him thank you if you see him.
I will be seeing him soon. So
Good work, man. That's awesome.
Sounds good.
Killer.
Thanks, guys.
All right. Sweet.
hey,
I think
Alrighty.
that's it. All right, guys.
Sweet.
Talk to you later.
silence.
All right.
Yeah, why not? I think we should always end it with a little like. Guess that's everything, guys.
That's awesome.
Oh boy.
All right, guys.
Silence. All right. Peace.
All of our
Talk to you
viewers
later.
just left.
See
See you
ya.
guys. Peace out, Bohemians.